Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to add and manage your suppliers within ZonWizard. You can find everything we're about to cover in the inventory section, under Suppliers. Here, you'll see a complete list of any suppliers you've already added. To create a new one, simply click the plus button in the top right corner. A form will open where you can enter the essential details, like the supplier's name, currency, and country, as well as their contact information and any additional notes. Once you're finished, just hit Save. Pro tip: if you have a long list of suppliers, you don't have to add them one by one. You can use the bulk upload section to import your entire list at once using our Excel template. Now that your supplier is created, the next step is to associate the specific products you purchase from them. This is a crucial step. It's what allows ZonWizard to automate your purchase orders. To do this, click the Add button and select your products from the list. You can use the brand or category filters or the search bar to find exactly what you need. Once the products are added, you can define specific attributes for each one. These include the supplier SKU, which could be a code or description the supplier uses to identify the product. An item number, for example the EAN, or an ID that the supplier uses internally. The minimum order quantity, which is the smallest amount you can purchase in a single order. And order multiples, this defines your increment steps. For example, if you have a minimum order of 100 units and must increase in steps of 10. Just like before, you can also manage these product associations in bulk. Just click the template button, fill in your info, and upload it directly through the form. Once your suppliers are set up and linked to your products, ZonWizard really goes to work. The system can now automatically generate purchase orders for items that are running low. These orders come pre-filled with recommended quantities based on your sales velocity and desired stock coverage. Plus, the system intelligently factors in your minimum order quantities, multiples, and the specific lead times required for each product. And that's it. You're now ready to streamline your ordering process. Thanks for watching.